Hey guys, so if you are curious on how long does it take to charge a PS5 controller, so it's about 1.5 hours through the PS5 or fast charging, around 3 hours otherwise, and it was around like 90 minutes to charge for me to using PS5 ports, and I've gotten around 2 hours with no dip in the battery so far, but I've only played Kag and Pistol Whip so far. Is not most intensive games control wise. So yeah, about 1.5 hours through the PS5 and around 3 hours otherwise. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.